forward is they leave it to, so, I mean, and I can't even describe to you the difference in response that I had in France and the United
That's what I was
States.
wanting to ask you in terms of investigations. What are the ongoing investigations elsewhere?
So the United States Department of Justice, when we brought a similar complaint to them, they immediately seized the assets and filed a federal forfeiture order against the culprits. There is now a case open in New York. They're prosecuting that case, and hopefully it will lead to a full conviction and a seizure of the assets. The French investigative judge Renaud van Brumbeck, who's one of the top anti-corruption judges in France, has taken over this case. He has frozen $10 million in France, Luxembourg, and Monaco, and there's a major criminal investigation going on with a large number of resources devoted towards it. The Swiss Attorney General has frozen close to $20 million of assets at UBS and Credit Suisse in Switzerland. There's a major criminal case going on there, and on and on and on. It's just a completely different situation here, and it perplexes me to see. Britain is known to have such a sort of well-developed legal system, but yet the criminal prosecution system or money laundering prosecution system seems to be sort of at a.
And where did you get the impression that there's an issue of priorities? They're focusing on the Panama Papers, not.
They told us. They wrote that to us in an email.
They said that it's a priority issue at the moment.
Yeah, more priority than this.
Okay. Just in terms of the implementation of the Magnitsky Act, has that? I appreciate that there's a number of names have been banned in other countries, not least the US, but has there actually been assets being frozen as well?
There haven't been any assets frozen under the Magnitsky Act. The assets frozen have been under criminal investigations like the one we're hoping to get open here.
And in any of the other countries, has it also led to asset freezes yet?
So at the moment, there's just one Magnitsky Act, which is America. They haven't frozen any assets because none of the individuals on the list have any assets in America.